Everybody, good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Friday morning. We've got showers and isolated thunderstorms. The steady showers are right here in northern Kansas and far southern Nebraska, and then your thunder showers are kind of right in here from Seward and York up to about the Albion area is where we're actually currently seeing the activity right in here. This is all drifting to the east and to the northeast, and as it does so, that's going to take the rain chances away from the Tri-Cities. Gradually, we'll see some clearing skies, but even through noon, maybe still some rain over eastern Nebraska. Continued kind of partial clearing. Some places will be cloudier than others. Some will be mostly cloudy. Others might see for a time mostly sunny skies, depending on where you are. But the clouds won't completely go away today. Slightly breezy southeasterly winds today, 5 to 15 miles per hour in most locations. New showers and storms firing up over western Nebraska later today. They will have a very tough time making their way too far east. So really going to go with a 20 to 30% chance overnight into early tomorrow morning. Most of us will not see rain. The chances are lower than what we've had the last couple of nights. And I know some of you didn't get rain the last couple of nights, but chances are even lower later tonight and tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, a little more sunshine, and we're going to heat things up on your Saturday. Hotter temperatures ahead of us for the first half of the weekend. A little bit breezy over eastern Nebraska. New showers and thunderstorms that'll affect mostly far western and northwestern parts of our area tomorrow evening. They will then weaken later in the night and have a tough time pushing eastward. So we won't see much of any activity right in here later Saturday night to Sunday morning. Sunday, more heat on the way. In fact, even hotter temperatures. Sunday does look like the hottest day ahead of us of the next several days to come. Severe weather-wise, not great chances the next few days. Later this afternoon and this evening, far western areas, a marginal risk of severe storms for large hail and severe wind gusts. Some of the same areas, no, this may need to include maybe up here around Valentine and Ainsworth as well. But again, isolated severe storms right in here for large hail and severe wind gusts Saturday evening. And then looking ahead to Sunday, we're going to be looking at the northern and western half of the area. And this is more towards Sunday night. After the hot weather of Sunday night, a cool front's going to start to approach from the northwest, and that will start to bring in another chance of rain and thunderstorms Sunday night into Monday morning. So once again, isolated severe weather would be possible. Highs today, upper 70s and low to mid 80s. For most of us, this is near or slightly below average, maybe closer to 90 around Valentine's. A little more heat here towards far western and northwestern areas. Lows tonight, 60s and lower 70s, and then here comes the heat building in. Saturday, highs upper 80s and 90s. I think most of us will avoid triple digits tomorrow for highs, maybe down here to our south, outside of our area, and then up here near Shadron. But upper 80s to upper 90s, heat index values that could get up to as high as maybe 105 in the afternoon. I think your highest heat index values will be right in here, maybe exceeding 105 in spots. Lows tomorrow night into Sunday morning will be a little warmer, especially over southeastern areas with a higher humidity. Low to mid 70s for lows, mid to upper 60s here. And then Sunday will be our hottest day ahead with highs into the mid to upper 90s and lower 100s. Heat index values 100 to 110 in the afternoon. Jumping ahead to Monday real quick here. Monday's still pretty toasty, but beginning to come down a little bit here, especially out west. That cooler air arriving. There's going to be a slight shot of cooler air. We'll feel it a little bit more on Tuesday. Still bump those temperatures up Wednesday, and then a bigger shot of cool air is going to arrive on Thursday, as we'll show you in the 7-day forecast. Let's take a look at that 7-day forecast again. Nice today. The chance of rain's pretty much done in the Tri-Cities. Another small chance late tonight. Not a good chance. Dry over the weekend. Mid-90s on Saturday. Upper 90s on Sunday. A heat index of well over 100 degrees, especially on Sunday. Monday's still pretty warm, up 93, 94, maybe 95, right in there. Small chance of storms early before sunrise, and then again Sunday night into Monday morning. Slightly cooler on Tuesday, but then temperatures come up a little bit on Wednesday. Then the bigger cool down comes Thursday, and that may also come with a better chance of rain and thunderstorms. We've got some nighttime chances here and there, but Thursday might be a better chance of rain and thunderstorms. And in fact, we're going to keep it on the cooler side Thursday all the way through the holiday weekend. This takes us to Sunday, the day before Labor Day. Highs in the upper 70s and lower 80s. The first Husker game of the season. Not bad, low 80s there. At least the Tri-Cities will be low 80s. I would assume similar in the Lincoln area. And it should stick around into Labor Day as well, which will be the 2nd of September. North Platte. Fairly similar. Small chances of rain and thunderstorms. Temperatures heating up over the weekend. Cooling down, but still kind of warm Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then the bigger cool down Thursday and beyond. You see those temperatures down into the 70s and 80s to wrap up the month of August into early September. The Climate Prediction Center has below average highs expected from Friday, August 30th through September 5th. And they have us at a slightly above precipitation, average precipitation for late August into early September. Well, I want to wish you all a wonderful weekend ahead of us here. I will be back with you on Monday morning with all of the latest. Otherwise, if you want to see me in person, you can catch us at the Nebraska State Fair later today for our midday show, or again next week. If you're going to be out there, come and say hi to me and Alyssa, as we'll be out there every day on the west side of the Nebraska State Fairgrounds, near the entrance, the west entrance of the Nebraska State Fair. So until next time, I will see you all later. Have a good weekend. Bye.